cybersecurity preparing, IT security management training, and network security courses seminars, all together for workers to remain current in their field of aptitude. Business and government associations orchestrate cybersecurity preparing and workshops, instructive courses and instructional meetings that relate to their particular specialty in the business. Cybersecurity Foundation. To start with, section of cybersecurity program is cybersecurity establishment, where understudies can discover a variety of courses in cybersecurity. This part is intended for all IT experts, security researchers and government faculty who need to take in the establishment of cybersecurity in detail. For all designers and researchers seeking to move into senior security positions and need a more extensive base of information can profit by our cybersecurity establishment. Risk Management Framework, RMF. Second part of cybersecurity program is devoted to Risk Management Framework, RMF, which is created by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, keeping in mind the end goal to help administrative associations enhance administration of their data framework. Tonex program in RMF is intended to set up an association-wide hazard administration appraisal program fixing to the data security, which will give you proper basic leadership capacity for a chance administration in your association. Wireless Security Training. As the remote and portable system have moved to IP-based systems, the whole framework has turned out to be more powerless against cutting-edge dangers intending to take data of effect, benefit, accessibility of value. Tonex Wireless Security Training part encourages you with remote moral hacking, infiltration testing, protection covering and all propelled remote security advancements one may require as an IT proficient. Learn more about Tonex Cybersecurity Training and Certification. Visit www.tonex.com.